Whitmore, any questions? Go ahead.
Good night, Coach Whitmore. I'm Coach Theodore to the Jamaican Gleaner. An eventful night for your team tonight, but to begin, let's focus on the positives. A win for Mount Pleasant, 3 points at home. What are your immediate reactions to the performance from your players tonight?
Well, I think first I must congratulate Mount Pleasant aggregation. I think they've put up a spirited performance this afternoon. And I've seen something tonight what I've never seen from a Mount Pleasant team, and it's the fight. So congrats to the team.
Coach, and I'll talk about 10 minutes in a new marquee signing, one everyone getting sent off with the red card. How did you change the team to really adjust to that situation, and how pleased are you with the reaction going one man down?
Well, again, we saw what the Robinhood team had to offer. There's not a lot of changes. It's just that we change our markation. We wanted to press them, but going down one player down, then we have to change the focus, and we bear fruit from that.
Coach, into the next match now. How much confidence does this win give you guys for that next match, knowing that you can really fight back in these disadvantageous situations?
Well, again, every game we want to treat it as a final. So every game from now on is a final.
Yeah, Coach. Demar Phillips back at Mount Pleasant in a different role than we usually see him in. What do you make of his performance in tonight's game?
I think it was a spirited performance. We know what Demar Phillips can do, and he went out there and he did that for us this afternoon.
Yes, coach. After the red card, you see a lot more balls coming out of the back. Was that by design, and what was the intention behind that, if that was the plan?
No, that's how we play. We want to play from out the back, and we think we have good ball handlers who can play around the back. So it's just normal for us.
Yeah, Coach Whitmore, what was the mindset after going 10 men down with the attacking players?
The mindset, as I said before, it doesn't change, and if you see the game, there wasn't a lot of changes. It was just a spirited performance from the boys.
Yeah, and Sule McCullough's goal, is that his final goal?
Well, I don't know what we can talk about tonight.
Yes, coach. You mentioned your captain. As you mentioned so many times, he has come up trumps for you. Just say something about his continued commitment and turning up big for Mount Pleasant.
Well, again, that's what we're gonna get from Sule. Every time Sule go there, you expect 110 from Sule.
Coach, just divert a little. How pleased are you with how things are progressing with the Premier League season just 1 week ahead?
Well, the focus now was on the Concacaf Club Championship. So again, we have to brush ourselves off and look together for the game on Sunday against Mobile United, and then we travel. So again, we have the depth. We just have to go out there again, as I said before. Every game is a final, and we just want to treat it that way.
And a big game Sunday against Mobile, as you mentioned. Always, that connection with you and Mobile, always a big matchup, coach. How prepared are you, and how you look forward to even kickstart the season?
Well, again, I think we have set a base over the past couple of weeks, and we have put in some work. We have depth, in our squad. So again, we just have to look on tonight's performance and start preparing for the game on Sunday.
Coach, you said that you saw something from them tonight that you hadn't seen before. Can you explain to us what that was?
Again, the fight. The fight, we work together as a unit this afternoon. We fight together. You could even hear it on the pitch when a man down. He said, "No, we can't play short again." So everybody get up and we just fight.
Coach, the onus is on this league where the club is concerned. We have seen what Cavalier did last season. Do you have the pieces to do or better what Cavalier did?
Well, again, it's a game by game situation. We are complete this assignment. We look to the next assignment. As I said before, every game we want to treat it as a final, and we just want to take it one game at a time.
And we saw what happened last season when Mount Pleasant lost the first game and it was downhill from there. You won today, first game out. A lot of confidence going forward.
Yes, definitely. We don't want to look on the past. We want to look on where we are now and what we want to achieve. The guys know the task at hand. We just have to work together to pull it off.
Any more questions? That's it. All right. Thank you very much for